Hello everyone. Hi. First of all, good evening to each one of you. And we are running a bit late, so it's okay. Okay, so hope you all are doing great now. So before starting anything, I would like to say something that this is on behalf of the whole Rusika team that our only motive is to bring out the hidden beauty of tribes to the outer world. So today I'm going to interact with Miss Shubhashmita. She is the winner of Summer Queen of 2015 and she was also at top 5 of Miss Orissa 2015. So without any other further delays, I will be welcoming her to my live session. So hello ma'am.
Hi Lakshmi, good evening.
Hi ma'am, good evening. So looking good ma'am.
Thank you so much. You too. You're looking so cute.
Thank you ma'am. So how are you ma'am? How are you doing?
I am doing good. I have been shooting a lot in this lockdown, so yeah, I'm doing really fine.
और फैमिली कैसे है आपकी और वहाँ का वेदर कैसा है?
सब अच्छा है, ठंड नहीं पड़ रही थी। अभी एक हफ्ते से थोड़ी थोड़ी ठंड महसूस हो रही है, सो हैप्पी विंटर।
Exactly, happy winter along with corona.
एक्चुअली या
Okay. So like how is the corona cases there right now? Like,
it's like it has become a part of the life right now. That's all I can say, because we are working and we are living a normal life with corona itself, so life has to go
yeah,
on. That, and but we
सब
have to
अपने में
be a
होता
little
है like safety अपना ही होता है like whatever
अपना ही होता
happens
है,
safety
एग्जैक्टली
is to ourselves. Yeah. So
एग्जैक्टली
that's the thing. Nowadays
या
people are not taking it seriously, but somehow it affects actually.
No, we have to be cautious. Like the corona is still there, but we have to, move on, because we have to earn our bread and butter. So that,
Exactly.
but at the same time, we have to be cautious. That is the thing.
Okay, ma'am. So like ma'am, I have already given your introduction to them, but it will be very good and better like if you yourself tell something about yourself to the viewers.
Surely. Hi, good evening, everyone. And I was waiting to come live with Lakshmi today, and I was all decked up. And as Lakshmi said, I am the winner of Summer Queen 2015, and I have few more titles in my bucket. So that is, I was in the top 5 contestants in FBB Femina Miss Odisha India 2015, and then there was another pageant that happened in 2014, that was Mu Miss Odisha, and I was runners up, and then I had won some 2 3 subtitles. So that's all.
Okay, wow, ma'am. That's
And
great.
I have
So,
done a movie also, Odia movie.
okay. Okay, ma'am, tell the like name of the movie, like the viewers can go and watch a movie.
Okay, I wish I could skip the question. it's it's Tikke Anadi Pura Khiladi, an Odia movie.
ठीक है लाइक आई डू नो सम ओडिया थिंग मेरे को भी आती है पर मैं ओडिया सीरियल देख के थोड़ी थोड़ी सीखी थी मतलब आई लर्नड इट
Okay.
फ्यू वर्ड्स लाइक मुंह तो मुंह को भालो पाउची
That is the common thing people get to learn, right? I love you.
या और फिर कौन करूछो और फिर लाइक व्हाट यू डूइंग या
Actually.
like I can
Nice.
understand but
You
like I
cannot
can
speak.
understand yeah I cannot speak like fluently I have to think like अच्छा मतलब इसका जवाब ये है उसके बाद आंसर्स आते हैं it's something like
I, I
that.
can I can understand. I hope people are joining us.
Yeah, they are joining slowly. It's taking time for them. Okay, ma'am. So, my first question to you is: you have already become the winner of like Summer Queen, and you were selected as top 5 for Miss Odisha. So, like, from which age did your journey start for this fashion line?
Okay, so when I was doing my, I was in college. I was in the first year of my graduation. So I was around 17 or 18, I had that thing, to become a model. Okay, but I didn't know at that time ki how to enter into modeling field, because in Odisha modeling is like nobody knew a lot of about modeling at that time. So one of my friends, she was in my college, she was my classmate. She used to be in the event line. Okay, event field. So she heard about a pageant, a local pageant that is called Apsara Beauty Queen. So that's how I came to know about the pageant, and I was so curious to participate in that. And I had no clue that that platform will give me, give me that opportunity to make it a profession. That's how, like, I participated in that contest, and that pageant was organized by a huge and event company of Odisha only. So I was like thrilled, and so many beautiful faces were there, and I was nervous at the same time. I was like, I had to perform and I have to give my best. So that's how my journey, it got started.
Okay. So, ma'am, we have a viewer called Nikki Kaur and Mario. They are asking, like, how are you?
I'm good. How are you? I hope you're fine and safe, doing good also.
Yeah. So, ma'am, like, since, like, you, at which age did you start this, ma'am? Like, coming to this fashion?
18, 17, 18. Yeah. Now I'm
Okay.
25.
Okay. So, like, it was a long journey. It
It
was,
is. It is.
so, like, ma'am, like, how long did it take, and and the steps that you took for your personality development? Like, how long did it
Okay.
take? What are the steps that you took?
Yeah, nice question. I actually, when I participated in the first pageant of my life, okay, I had no clue about what modeling is and what makeup is. All I know was just putting on lipstick and just some foundation that Lakme. Okay, so I had no clue about professional makeups, how do models walk. So I was completely a clueless person. I just knew that I had to become a model, without knowing what a model's job is. Okay, so then in that contest, I was also in top four, and I won best walk subtitle, which was quite surprising for me, because I didn't know anything about professional walk, but I won somehow best walk in that pageant. But fortunately, that competition that gave me a huge platform later on to become a professional model, to make it a profession. And after that, I had to learn a lot of things, about make how to make makeup and how to dress up, how to carry heels, and of course to work on my body, to work on how to talk, how to present yourself. So a lot of things I had to work on myself after that. So
That's great, ma'am. So, like, who inspired you? Like, who is your inspiration? Through whom did you get the inspiration and like decided to come into fashion line?
to become a model.
Yeah.
Okay, so I will be very frank. There would not be anyone who inspired me to become a model except the glamour part. Okay, I actually got inspired by seeing the clothes, the makeup, the way they talk, the way they carry themselves. Like at that point, Aishwarya Rai and then Sushmita Sen, these two are like the icons of fashion
Yeah,
industry.
yeah.
And but if you ask me personally, then the makeup and the clothes, I'm a girl, so I used to be like fascinated seeing those stuffs. So that's how, like, I decided to become a model. But then I think that some things are destined, like written, uh, you have to be God's decision, you have to follow. So I think
Yeah.
I'm destined to be a model.
You are blessed, ma'am. Like, seriously.
All of us, I think so.
Yeah. So, ma'am, last time you came
Yeah.
for this Miss Baha Tribal Beauty pageant.
Yeah.
So what was your overall experience with them? Like you have taught them how to like do the walk and all. So how was your overall experience with them?
Okay, so let me correct you here. Not only the last time, I have been associated with this organization since the day it started, I guess. So like first time when I went there as a judge, I was like so uh, thrilled to see, like so many beautiful faces from the community, which I was not expecting. And to add cherry on the cake, they're extremely talented also, not just beautiful faces. Okay, they were so good at communicating with me, with other people, and they danced this, like they did all kind of extracurricular activities, so I was like so happy to see that these girls like they deserve a great platform much before. So
Yeah. So it was great like being with them.
I of course I feel so proud to be a part of Rusika.
It is very nice to hear that, ma'am, from you.
No.
So, like, ma'am, as you have heard, like, Rusika is giving a platform for married women too. Like, it's Miss and Mrs. Tribal for the very first time. So, what are your opinions about that?
Okay, when I saw that poster on Facebook, that Miss and Mrs. Baha, okay, I was so amazed, first of all, and I felt so proud that this organization, come up with something like this to empower women that this actually stand for. So I was so happy and glad that they are providing the platform for tribal married women also, so that they can fulfill their desires and whatever they had in their heart. So and later on they can also inspire girls and women of their community, and them also who are not of their community, both to to stand firm for their beliefs and to fulfill their desires. That's all I can say. So they will be an inspiration for lot many girls and women out there.
Okay, ma'am. There are
So
lots of families, like since we are talking about like tribal people, so there are lots of family in a tribal thing. Like they believe that after marriage, like I'm not talking about like all the families. I'm speaking in general.
hmm,
Like there are lots of families जो लोग ये मानते हैं कि शादी के बाद लड़कियां like ऐसे छोटे कपड़े नहीं पहन सकते या फिर लाइक ये फैशन लाइन मतलब फैशन में नहीं रह सकते हैं। तो आपके हिसाब से क्या लगता है बीइंग इन फैशन लाइक रिक्वायर्स एनी एज लिमिट?
अच्छा, पहली बात तो ये है कि ये सोच मैं लोगों की बदलना चाहती हूँ कि फैशन इंडस्ट्री में रहने का मतलब ये नहीं कि छोटे कपड़े पहनना मैंडेटरी है। दिस इज अ रॉन्ग स्टेटमेंट जो सबके दिमाग में चलती है। आपको छोटे कपड़े पहनने के लिए नोबडी फोर्सेस, कोई आपको फोर्स नहीं करता है। अगर पहनते भी हैं तो उसमें गलत क्या है? इफ योर इंटेंशंस आर करेक्ट एंड द वर्ल्ड इज इवॉल्विंग, वेस्टर्न कल्चर हर जगह अडॉप्ट हो रही है। सो फैशन इंडस्ट्री में भी हो रही है, सो नथिंग न्यू। एंड वी गर्ल्स नो हाउ टू कीप आवर इंटीग्रिटी हाई। सो हमारे कपड़ों से हमको जज करना इज वेरी वेरी रॉन्ग, और ये चीज तो हम बहुत कॉमनली फेस करते हैं। सो नथिंग न्यू अबाउट दिस। और बाकी रहा एज की, सो एज की बात जब आती है ना जब बोलते हैं कि अच्छा अब तो तुम 25 की हो गए, अब तो तुम 30 की हो गए, सो अब क्या करोगी, मॉडलिंग तो खत्म। then I feel so sorry for the mentality, because age is just a number, जिसने भी बोला है, age is actually just a number. It has nothing to do with you, like it has nothing to do with what you want to be in your life. You can be anything at any age. सो डोंट काउंट द एज कि अच्छा एक एज के बाद आप ये नहीं कर सकते। अगर वो करने की जुनून हो तो आप कुछ भी कर सकते हो। एंड वी कैन टेक द नेम्स फ्रॉम आवर कंट्री ओनली, हु आर द सुपर मॉडल्स, हु आर मैरिड, हु आर लाइक नॉट दैट यंग एज वाइज, but they are working as supermodels on very renowned shows, like Lubna, Lubna ma'am, who is like the choreographer of Lakme Fashion Week. She's married, she's having kids, and Nayanika Chatterjee and Sucheta Sarma. There are many. I'm missing out a lot of names. So ऐसा नहीं बोलना चाहिए कि छोटा कपड़ा पहनना हो then only you can enter into the modeling industry. That is very wrong. And then the age factor, these two are very wrong statements that are, in people's head. So please do change that.
Yeah, well said, ma'am. Okay. So, ma'am, like for your whole achievement, like
Hmm.
to the position you are right now, like who was your backbone for your whole achievement?
Okay. There are a lot of people, but as we have only one backbone, so I would give the credit to my mother, because I have seen, like, when I started my career in modeling, so there are a lot of people in my relative who are like my relatives, and who are not my relatives, but padosi, aspas ke padosi. So they used to criticize, like लड़की अच्छी पढ़ रही थी तो उसको जॉब में डालना चाहिए था, देन मॉडलिंग ये सब क्या भूत चढ़ गया. सो आई एम वेरी मच अवेयर ऑफ द थिंग. सो ये क्रिटिसिज्म मिलती है, बट आई हैव नेवर सीन हर गेटिंग अफेक्टेड by the criticisms she used to get, because she had that faith in me, and she had that faith in herself also, her in her upbringing, कि नहीं मतलब हम लड़कियों को वो मिलना चाहिए. लाइक वी शुड गिव दैट फ्री, दे शुड गिव अस दैट फ्री हैंड टू डू वट एवर वी वॉन्ट टू डू इन आवर लाइफ. सो वो फ्री हैंड हम एज अ पेरेंट्स वो लड़कियों को देना चाहिए, बच्चों को देना चाहिए. आई वुड नॉट से कि सिर्फ लड़कियों को, टू टू द किड्स. तो शी हैज सपोर्टेड मी थ्रू आउट माई जर्नी. एंड आई रिमेम्बर कि जब पहले पहले मैं शोज में जाती थी, तो जस्ट बिकॉज ब्यूटी कॉन्टेस्ट एंड ब्यूटी पेजेंट्स एंड इवेंट्स ये थोड़ा लेट खत्म होता है रात को, लाइक 12 11 बज जाते हैं. सो शी
Yeah.
यूज्ड टू गो विथ मी एंड शी यूज्ड टू अकम्पनी मी, एंड वो मेरे साथ जाती थी. उसका कुछ काम नहीं होता था, फिर भी वो बैठी रहती थी जस्ट फॉर मी. सो दैट इज समथिंग आई कैन नॉट फॉरगेट. सो ऑल द क्रेडिट आई वुड लाइक टू गिव टू माय मदर.
That's great, ma'am.
Yeah,
I wish everyone like would have a mom like you.
definitely. Everyone should have actually.
Yeah, because like when a girl grows, like the only thing like she wants to trust is a mom. Like she feels to share everything, each and everything.
Yeah,
Obviously, she cannot
yeah,
share it with her dad. Yeah.
yeah.
So you have like you're lucky. That's
I'm
what I have to
lucky.
say right now.
I am lucky in that way, because she's not only my mother, she is my best of friends, and I can share with her anything and everything. So we kids, we actually need someone with whom we can share anything and everything without any trust issues. Like okay, अभी मैंने ये सीक्रेट बोल दिया तो मुझे पनिशमेंट मिलेगी. नो, दे शुड बी आवर फ्रेंड्स फर्स्ट, एंड माई मदर इज like, yeah, my bestest friend. So
Wow. So, ma'am, like throughout your whole journey,
yeah,
obstacles that you faced for your achievements.
uh, I would say I was a bit lucky in that case, because I didn't face much obstacles, because uh, उस टाइम पर उतने मॉडल्स नहीं थे, उतने प्लेटफॉर्म्स नहीं थे फैशन के लिए, मॉडलिंग के लिए. तो वेरी फ्यू, लाइक गिनती, ऐसे हाथ की गिनती करने के बराबर मॉडल्स थे. तो it was like very much familiar atmosphere, so I didn't face much obstacles like nowadays models will face, because the competition is high. There are a lot of girls, they are coming forward to become a model. So in that way I was a bit lucky, कि मुझे ज़्यादा मेहनत नहीं करनी पड़ी, या ज़्यादा कंपटीशन नहीं था उस वक्त उस हिसाब से. बाकी ऑब्स्टिकल्स आई कैन से दैट आई हैड टू वर्क ऑन माय बॉडी, आई हैड टू वर्क a lot on my communication skill. I had to work in improving myself in a whole. So those were the obstacles.
Okay, ma'am. So, ma'am, why did you choose this field? Why did you choose fashion model?
Initially, I got fascinated by the glamour, by the clothes, by the makeup, as I said earlier. Okay, so that was the thing that inspired me ki chalo let's do this. But when I get to know what modeling is all about, modeling is not a peanut. That I also used to think that it is all about taking makeup and wearing good clothes. So it is not like that, it is beyond that. So later on I get to know, then I understood that a beauty queen means like you have to be beautiful from inside and outside. And then queen, what is the role of a queen? A queen that inspires people. So the beauty queen, so beauty queen means you have to be beautiful inside out, and then you have to do something that inspires people. So that is what inspired me a lot to choose this profession.
Yeah, that's great, ma'am. So, ma'am, would you like to share any of your memory about your achievements?
About my achievements, okay, so I'll share one memory of my FBB competition. There was a round when the subtitle competition was happening. The name of the subtitle was uh, some मेकअप के ऊपर कुछ था, ठीक है. सो हम लोगों को लगा कि हम बहुत ज्यादा मेकअप करके जाएंगे एंड वी विल विन द राउंड, ठीक है. सो आई वाज लाइक इतना मोटा मोटा काजल एंड देन रेड लिपस्टिक and then बहुत thick eyebrows, lot of makeup. Then the mentor शिवालिका शर्मा, ठीक है, she is a very renowned model in Mumbai. So she was like उन्होंने मुझे ऐसे कॉर्नर में बुलाया एंड शी सेड कि बेटा ऐसे मेकअप नहीं लेते, यू आर नाउ लुकिंग लाइक अ मेकअप की दुकान. So in beauty contest or anything, you have to be, you have to look like yourself only. Don't put on so much of makeup that we will lose the personality. Who is Sanj, who is Sanjana? Okay, so that is something I keep in my mind every time I take makeup. Okay, like I have to look myself only. So that is amazing. Like उन्होंने मुझे literally साइड में लेके बोला you are looking like a makeup की दुकान. So
Oh my God. So, ma'am,
but
as a model,
that's amazing. That is an amazing experience because from that moment I literally learned how to take makeup, like how to look good and presentable. So
yeah, you started being like comfortable with your makeup from that time.
yeah, yeah.
So, ma'am, like as a model, what are your goals?
My goals, like I am doing well and good in my state, and I have been working with all the renowned brands in my city. So I'm touch wood, I'm doing good, but my goals would be I would like to take this modeling legacy forward in a grand way, because there are no good institutions, to train aspiring models who really want to do something uh, in this field. So I would like to take the legacy forward in a grand way, not just like so that is what I am wishing for.
Yeah, that's great, ma'am. So, like, ma'am, in the next upcoming years, where do you want to see yourself?
Okay, recently I have developed that interest in acting. Okay, I'll be honest. So I'm exploring my acting side, because in modeling in Odisha, especially, I have done a lot. Touch it. So I'm exploring my acting skills right now. Let's see how it goes. So that's it.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, according to you, like, you are already an experienced model. So, like, what are the main qualities that a model should have?
First of all, A model has to be very, very hardworking because our job is very difficult. Um, I don't know whether I'm looking sleep deprived or not because I haven't slept since past 3 or 4 days. I haven't shooting all day, all night long. So बहुत हार्ड वर्किंग होना पड़ेगा एंड देन यू हैव टू बी कमिटेड टू द प्रोफेशन. Like if you're entering to the modeling field, you have to be really, really committed. You cannot just think okay, just taking makeup and wearing good clothes will make you a model. That is not the thing. So that's all. Like hard working hona padega, and rest of the things can be learned and can be taken care of.
Yeah, ma'am. So, like, ma'am, since you are already a professional model, I would like you to ask you some suggestions or like encouragement tips for a tribal girls who have like dreams like yours.
I would just say follow your dreams. And what is like ट्राइबल कम्युनिटी हो या कोई भी कम्युनिटी हो, ठीक है. इफ यू वांट टू बिकम समथिंग, जस्ट फॉलो योर ड्रीम्स, दैट्स इट. और मेरे टाइम पर उतने प्लेटफॉर्म, उतने एक्सपोजर्स नहीं थे, स्पेशली इन ओडिशा. इट इज स्टिल इन द दैट डेवलपिंग स्टेज. अभी भी मैं नहीं बोल सकती कि फैशन इंडस्ट्री ओडिशा में एकदम पीक पर है. नो, इट इज स्टिल डेवलपिंग. लाइक बॉम्बे और दिल्ली जितना डेवलप करने के लिए शायद हमको और 10 साल लग जाए या 15 साल लग जाए. बट अगर आप इस प्रोफेशन को परस्यू करना चाहते हो, देन गो अहेड, टेक योर पेरेंट्स परमिशन and get yourself trained from a good institutions, um, from Mumbai or Delhi or from here, those who have a little bit of experience. So that's all.
Thank you, ma'am. So there are lots
So
of
any questions
people.
from the, yeah, any questions from the viewers? That's what I'm expecting.
No, no one is asking such questions. They are wishing you happy Christmas in advance, and you're
Happy
looking
Christmas to all
beautiful.
of you.
Yeah, they're looking. You are looking beautiful. You're getting comments like that, and yeah.
Thank you so much. I wish to see you all live soon. तो देखते हैं. एंड बाकी आगे की जो ऑडिशंस हो रहे हैं, उन सबको मेरी तरफ से बहुत सारी बेस्ट विशेस. एंड competition is all about winning and losing. But see, I also lost in my first competition. I was not there as a winner or as a runners up. So so don't take losing something very personally. You can learn, and you can go ahead with you know with a better experience and some, क्या बोलते हैं, कुछ सीख के ही हम आगे बढ़ते हैं. That's it.
Life is all about learning.
Life is, I am still learning. I can
Yeah,
proudly say I'm still learning.
इंसान का उम्र जितना बढ़ते हैं वो लोग उतना ही सीखते जाता है.
Actually.
Like, yeah.
तो तो वही
So
बात है.
there are no such persons who are asking some questionable questions like
Okay.
it's okay.
No problem.
Okay, ma'am.
So
So the auditions are still going on, like for this Miss Bahar Tribal, Miss and Mrs. Bahar Tribal.
yeah,
So, like, would you like to wish them like good
I,
luck?
I just I just did. I just did a lot of best wishes. And आप एक कंपटीशन में पार्टिसिपेट करने से पहले खुद को उतना प्रिपेयर करके आना. बिकॉज आई हैव सीन अ लॉट ऑफ गर्ल्स, दे जस्ट कम लाइक दैट. Like no offense, but they are like very fresh and they don't know much about the professional works and all. But abhi to YouTube hai, and so many OTT platforms from where you can actually थोड़ा सा देख के सीख सकते हो. तो use that platform for good, and calm yourself, uh, being prepared uh, पूरी तरह से. तो
Yeah. So there is someone, Miss Sneha Roy. She's saying,
okay.
ma'am, I have a question, but her question did not pop up till now. We're just waiting for her.
Okay. No problem. So it was really
So,
nice talking to you, Lakshmi.
yeah, ma'am, like same goes for you. You're very
Yeah.
sweet, very frank.
Yeah.
Uh, yeah, she like Shivnath Soren. Here is Mr. Shivnath Soren. Please, ma'am, one last question. Want to know
Okay.
negativity against your success?
Sorry, pardon?
He wants to know, Mr. Shivnath
Huh.
Soren wants to know the negativity against your success.
The negativity against my success, I actually didn't get the question. uh, Acha, is he is he asking me like if
Negativity,
I'm
he might like there are two ways like people they believe that modeling there are two ways like one is the good side, one is the bad side. So I think he is asking in that manner.
he's asking about the bad side? Okay.
Yeah,
See,
negativity.
see, just like the coin has two sides, everything has a positive and negative sides. Okay. So but as long as we know what we are doing, as long as I know like what am I doing with my life, I have to be very clear with my visions and my work ethics. सो बाकी लोगों का काम तो है बोलना, लोग तो कुछ भी कहेंगे. There
Yeah.
will be few people who will be praising you, there will be few people who will be demotivating you. You have to learn what to accept and what to ignore, because nobody is going to do anything on behalf of you. So you have to do your things on your own. तो फिर आप पॉजिटिव जो बोलते हैं फीडबैक को आप ले सकते हो, नेगेटिव फीडबैक को भी ले सकते हो एज अ लेसन कि मुझे आगे क्या करना चाहिए, कैसे करना चाहिए. बाकी अब हमारे ऊपर डिपेंड करता है कि हम लोगों से कैसे डील करें. नॉट ओनली इन मॉडलिंग, इन एवरी प्रोफेशन. कुछ लोग अच्छा बोलेंगे, कुछ लोग बुरा बोलेंगे. देयर विल नॉट नेवर बी 100% ऑफ पीपल हु विल प्रेज यू. दैट जस्ट नॉट गोइंग टू हैपन. So yeah.
Yeah, that was a perfect answer. So, Mr. Shivnath Soren, I hope you liked her answer. So, ma'am, there is one more question from Miss Sneha Soy. She's asking that short height girls can
Hmm.
see such career in modeling.
Okay, that's a wonderful question. I forgot to mention about the height. Okay. When I was I am 25 right now, I cannot participate in Femina Miss India, ठीक है, because my height is 5'6", and when I wanted to participate, the height criteria was 5'7" and above. Okay, but right now the Femina has decreased its height criteria to 5'3". So like the national, the most renowned beauty pageant of our country, FBB Femina Miss India, they have decreased the height criteria. So I think कि ये norm भी कुछ दिनों के बाद चला जाएगा कि there will be any height barrier. Okay, I know that this thing will happen eventually, but अभी फिलहाल it's like 5'3" is the least. So I think कि height is not a barrier anymore, or will not be a barrier anymore.
Yeah, that was a perfect answer. So, Miss Sneha Soy, I think you are like more satisfied with the answer. So, there was one more person like she is asking you that if you don't mind, can I ask you like she's asking you like if she asks a question like if you don't mind she will ask you a question. She's telling it like that.
No, why will I mind? I will not mind. Please do ask me anything that is going on in your mind. Please go ahead. So I want a lot of viewers, interaction. So please do ask me a lot of questions. I would love to answer.
Yeah, they won't be asking now after the live session goes off. Like there will be questions after that. It
No, 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 no.
happens.
Use this opportunity. Please ask right now. I would love to answer all of your questions.
Okay, there is Mr. Manish Mohit Malik. He's asking,
Oh,
"Ma'am, I am 5.11. Can I try for print model or glamorous model? Glamorous
Acha,
or glamorous?"
I, he's a male, right?
Yeah.
Okay, 5'11" is good enough. 5'11" is good enough. You can try for like runway also. Not only print modeling, you can also you fit into the runway model also. So please go ahead if you really want to uh, do something in modeling. Please go ahead.
So yeah, thank you, ma'am. And so Mr. Manish Mohit Malik. So I hope you have got your answer. So if you wanted, you can try it.
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am. So, ma'am, how is the winter there? Is it very cold?
लाइक अभी 2 दिन से थोड़ी थोड़ी ठंडी महसूस हो रही है, पहले तो नहीं था। अभी 2-3 दिन से आई एम फीलिंग द कोल्ड हियर, सो या।
सर्दी नहीं लग रही है आपको? आप इतना लाइक शूट्स के लिए इधर-उधर जाते रहते हैं।
डू यू वांट मी टू कैच कोल्ड?
आई एम
दैट
आस्किंग बिकॉज़ आई एम हैविंग इट राइट नाउ।
no, touch wood, I have been like, I haven't slept since 3 or 4 days. I was out, and I was shooting like all day and all night long. But touch wood, I'm fit and fine and healthy.
Yeah, I'm getting a bit jealous. Like you are roaming like for your shoots here and there. You are like not
Yeah,
getting like cough and
yeah.
cold, and me sitting at home like God.
I guess my immunity is bit high and strong.
Okay, I pray you don't
And
get
I
it.
hope, yeah, and I hope I don't look sleep deprived right now because I haven't slept.
No, you're looking gorgeous, ma'am. Yeah, there is one more question from Miss Nikki Kaur. She's asking you, ma'am, how are you so beautiful?
How to answer to this question?
See,
I
you were
guess
asking like whether you are looking in that manner or not. You have already got your answer through a question.
actually, I guess we all are beautiful. Like I we girls are generally beautiful, but makeup, makes us look much more
More
presentable.
attractive, eye-catching.
More at Yeah, that's it. So,
Okay, we
and in the
have.
next session, I can give some makeup tips also to the viewers. I would not mind.
So, ma'am, you have any YouTube channel or something?
No, I do not have any YouTube channel because I actually don't get much time to do anything for OTT platforms. But that's something in my mind. Later on, maybe I can do something there. But as of now, I don't have any like uh, YouTube channel or something because I don't get time. So there is no point of opening a channel and then not posting much content and all.
Okay, there
So
is someone who is giving you love from Kolkata.
love back.
So, ma'am, that was great and very nice talking to you. I think we should end up the live here. People will be keeping
Yes,
on asking questions. So we,
I can keep on answering. I am very much energetic. So
yeah,
that is the thing.
interacting with you, that is like we are understanding you're very energetic and like
Yeah.
you keep on talking.
Yeah. So, anyways, it was really nice talking to you and sharing my experiences and all with the viewers. And
Yeah.
I would like to wish all the contestants who will be participating in the competition my best wishes, and please prepare yourself to good. And I hope to see you guys live soon. And take care, stay safe, and be kind to everybody. That's all.
Yeah, ma'am, and thank you, ma'am. Thank you too for your this beautiful time with us, interacting with us. It was very like it was a beautiful moment talking to you, and like
Same
it is
here.
our pleasure and wishing you a successful career ahead. You're getting love from
Say,
Goa, and people are loving you. They're getting comments like that.
I'm really glad. Thank you so much. Feeling is mutual. Bye bye.
Bye, ma'am. So have a good night. Merry Christmas in
Yeah.
advance.
Merry Christmas to you. Merry Christmas to all the viewers in advance. Take care. Bye bye.
Yeah, ma'am. Thank you.